Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Car Doctors for You. This is a Ford Focus 2013 1.6 liter gasoline, 150 horsepower. So very strange things in this car. There is no piston. Piston number 3 is not here. Look, where is the piston? You just see the connecting rod here, and that's it. Just the connecting rod is here, and that's it. So, cylinder number 4. Cylinder number 4 had piston, but ring, small piece of ring is there. You see the ring break. Cylinder number 4. And cylinder number 3, there is no piston in the cylinder number 3. Just you see the connecting rod. And cylinder number 2. This is the piston for cylinder number 2. And cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 1 looks good. Cylinder number 3. So guys, these cars need engine swap or engine rebuild. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I want to rebuild this engine rather than to swap the engine. And this is a project car. I will upload more videos about this. This is a very nice car. If you have any questions about this car, specifically about this engine's problems, rebuilds, clearances, torques, and other things, drop comments below. Because I'm rebuilding these engines, and I will upload a lot of videos in my YouTube channels. So if you subscribe, you will see the progress in this car until I put back this car on the road.